So today we're going to apply tempered glass on mobile phone, and I am going to show you all the tips and tricks how you can apply the tempered glass the easiest way. It is very much easy. You just have to clear your mind at first. Your mind should be cleared. So let's start. Firstly, as I always say, you have to clean your mobile phone as good as possible. After cleaning, take a scotch tape and remove all the dust particles from your mobile phone. Now you are going to place the glass on the mobile phone. So like this. Easily put the glass on the mobile phone. Place your finger in the middle of the glass, press it and take it down like this. So the application is finished, but sometimes I have also seen that bubbles form up in under the glass. Don't press the bubbles from inside to outside. Just pick up the glass where the bubble is and release it. This will automatically take the bubble away. The bubble will go automatically away. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Just giving just a final touch here, and there you go, it is finished. So see you in the next video.